Hey, it's Mike from Tool and Knives. What I have here today is the display block that is going to be for the prize knife ULU. Since I do not have a milling machine, I'm making do with what I have to put the slot in to actually hold the blade up. It works, so I use what I have to get by, and it does make a real nice little slot for me. We gotta lower it down a little bit here, do another pass. Like I said, I wish I had a milling machine, but since I don't, I use what I have to get by, and it does work. Hope you enjoy the video.